Hi guys, good morning. So many people are asking me, like I'm in a twin flame journey, and I don't want my parents to see any alliance for me. So I want to keep my parents informed about my twin flame journey. So this video shorts is going to be an answer for such people. So first of all, my question is, you yourself have so much of work to be done in twin flame journey. First of all, you have to come out of this conditioning society, then you have to break the norms of the society, then you have to get involved into self love journey. Then after being in self love journey, you have to manifest your true twin flame. After manifesting for 100%, 500%, you have to confirm, yes, this is my twin flame, this is my twin flame, very deeply and confidently. After confirming, you have to come to union, inner union, then you have to come to, like, how to tell, harmonious physical union. You have to get along with them. You yourself has to be always in self love. Now you would be in inner union, you would be like, you know how it is to be in inner union, how it is to be in self alignment, but you have to live your life path in self alignment itself. So when you have so much of work to be done for yourself itself, so finish all that. You first confidently, confirmly know this is who your twin flame is. This is the person you want to get married. This is the person you want to create a family with. This is the person you are going to be in harmonious, permanent union with till your last breath. After you confirm it within yourselves, you confirm it for yourselves, then you can tell your parents that if you want, if you are interested, if your parents will accept, and if your parents will not think twin flame journey is a taboo, because you both are two different strangers for them. Okay, taboo, then you can explain about all this twin flame journey and all. Then you can make them understand all that is okay. If it's not going to be, if your parents are not going to accept this twin flame journey, if they are going to consider this as a taboo, all these things, then just tell them, I met this guy in my workplace, or he's my colleague, I like him, I happen to love him, he is so nice, so and so I know him like this, and we are like willing to get married and be together forever. That much information is enough now. If your parents are not willing to know about twin flame journey, they're not even ready to listen to your stories, why do you want to keep blabbering about twin flame journey and twin flame story or concept? No need, no, not necessarily. So inform, you know him, you love him, that's